Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Honda's most beloved motorcycles, the Honda CB350. This bike isn't just a classic, it's a piece of motorcycling history. Let's take a look at what makes the CB350 such an iconic ride, from its design to its performance. The history of the Honda CB350. Released in the late 1960s, the Honda CB350 quickly became a game-changer in the motorcycle world. At the time, Honda was dominating the market with its reliable and affordable bikes, and the CB350 was no exception. With its sleek design and powerful engine, it offered a perfect balance between performance and everyday usability. The CB350 became one of the most popular motorcycles of its era and helped cement Honda's reputation as a leader in the industry. Engine and performance. The Honda CB350 is powered by a 325 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, parallel twin engine. It might not seem like much by today's standards, but back then, it was a powerhouse. Producing around 34 horsepower, the CB350 was known for its smooth and reliable performance, making it perfect for both new riders and experienced motorcyclists. The twin-cylinder setup gave it a unique balance of power and efficiency, offering a top speed of around 100 miles per hour and fantastic fuel economy. Design and comfort. One of the standout features of the CB350 is its simple yet elegant design. With a chrome-plated frame, classic tank design, and comfortable riding position, it struck a perfect balance between form and function. The upright seating position made it great for long rides, and the bike's lightweight frame made it easy to maneuver, even in city traffic. The styling of the CB350 still looks timeless today, making it a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Handling and ride quality. The CB350 was built for both city commuting and weekend rides, and it excelled in both areas. With a front telescopic fork and rear twin shocks, the bike offered solid suspension that could handle a variety of road conditions. The handling was responsive, and despite being a middleweight bike, it felt light and agile, making it fun to ride on twisty roads. The 350 suspension was not overly stiff but provided just the right amount of comfort for long-distance touring. Reliability and maintenance. Honda's reputation for reliability was proven with the CB350. It was a low-maintenance bike that required only basic care to keep running smoothly. Its simple mechanical design meant that repairs were relatively easy, making it a favorite for DIY mechanics. Plus, parts were widely available, ensuring that even decades later, you can find what you need to keep your CB350 in top shape. The legacy of the Honda CB350. Even though Honda stopped production of the CB350 many years ago, its legacy continues to live on. This bike became a symbol of reliability, simplicity, and style, and it remains a popular choice for classic motorcycle restorations. Whether you're a collector, a vintage motorcycle enthusiast,